Intelligent Reptile Fogger Terrariums Humidifier Electronic Timer Automatic Ms. Intelligent Reptile Fogger Terrariums Humidifier Electronic Timer Automatic Mist Rainforest Spray System Kit Sprinkler Control Review. The Intelligent Reptile Fogger Terrariums Humidifier Electronic Timer Automatic Mist Rainforest Spray System Kit Sprinkler Control is a great way to keep your reptile's terrarium at the perfect humidity level. The fogger uses an ultrasonic mist generator to produce a fine mist that evenly distributes throughout the terrarium, providing your reptile with the moisture it needs to stay healthy. The fogger also has an electronic timer that allows you to set the desired mist duration and frequency, so you can be sure that your reptile's terrarium is always properly humidified. The fogger is made of high-quality materials and construction, and it is very easy to use. Simply fill the water reservoir, plug the fogger into an outlet, and set the desired mist duration and frequency. The fogger will then automatically start producing a fine mist that will keep your reptile's terrarium at the perfect humidity level. Here are some of the benefits of using the Intelligent Reptile Fogger Terrariums Humidifier. Electronic Timer Automatic Mist Rainforest Spray System Kit Sprinkler Control provides the perfect humidity level for your reptile. Easy to use. Made of high-quality materials and construction. Includes an electronic timer. Affordable. If you are looking for a way to keep your reptile's terrarium at the perfect humidity level, then the Intelligent Reptile Fogger Terrariums Humidifier Electronic Timer Automatic Mist Rainforest Spray System Kit Sprinkler Control is a great option. It is easy to use, affordable, and made of high-quality materials.